Here's one to check out. Listen to this. This is a one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles truck. It's a 1989 GMC Sierra SLE 4x4 half ton. Actual miles on it, just a little over 80,000. Same family since new. Let's take a look at this thing. First of all, up front, let's take a look at the chrome and bright work grille. This would be garnet red with silver two-tone. And if you want to check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, from what I can see on this truck, appears to be original paint, so you do have some bugs and some chips and what have you up front on the hood. So does paint show well? Yes. Is it perfect? No. But there's some things I'm going to point out in this truck. Very solid truck. So let's take a look down this passenger side. Look at how straight these panels are. It does have a few add-ons. It has the running boards, as you can see, silver stirrups. And it also is going to have a bed liner and a rubber bed mat. Take a look at the lower rockers. Not full of corrosion, not all rotted out. This little protective film that comes with it when it's brand new, still intact. Take a look at these cab corners. Solid. Something I want to show you. If you take a look at the inside, you're going to see a little plug here and there in these door jambs. And if you look close at them, that's actually the Z-Bart rust preventative spray. They spray on the inner portions of those trucks back in the 80s, and it does appear to make a difference when we get them in, 30 years later. Lower rockers on the box and even up and around the wheel wells. You don't see them like this every day, folks. And then take a peek at this interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, show you a little better shot of it too. Seating, not full of rips, tears, holes. We'll check out the rear seat when we get over to the driver's side. Dash looks good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Does have the 5.7 liter 350 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech stated the AC compressor kicks on and off, does blow cool, could be colder. Look at the condition of this tailgate. Don't see them like that every day either. Chrome in the bottom. Rear bumper. I left this unlocked too. So glass light, fiberglass topper. Like I said, actually has bed liner and the bed mat. You're going to be able to see pictures of all this with our still pictures also. And those can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like square bodies, if you like a little later model like this pickup, if you like just trucks in general, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Okay, I want to go down this driver's side too. It seems like the driver's sides are worse when it comes to corrosion, but as you can see on this one, same thing, and that protective film is still there. Came with it from the factory. Solid cab corners up and around the wheel wells, and you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches, anything major. Is the paint perfect? No. Does it still show well? Absolutely. Nice straight panels. Let's take a little closer look at this inside. So we have some nice equipment on this one. Power windows, power locks. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Seating in the rear, also in nice shape. No major rips, tears, holes. I do want to show you something. Let me step back. Here's the actual color of that interior. If you watch these videos with me before, when I get right up on top of that seat, it's going to want to wash it out. But it is a nice, deeper red. It's not this light. But you can see, not full of rips, tears, and holes. A little bit of wear right here. Seat belt's intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how it runs. Check out those exact miles. And there they are, 80,149. All right, gauges look like we have oil pressure. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Set fuel gauge working and battery. Let's take a peek at this radio. All right, so let's check for tuning. Let's get to station I figure should work. All right. Radio working. If you're familiar with these trucks, sometimes this head unit did not work on the radio. So you also have equalizer, cassette player over here. So AM, FM, cassette. Of course, your climate control right down here. And AC. Like I said, AC compressor kicks on and off. Blows cool. Tech note it could be colder. Is that also working? All right, dash looks good. Headliner, not bad either. Slip around to the back. Let's listen to it. I would say sounds like you'd expect. 1989 GMC to sound with 5.7 in it. Let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped open. We're going to check out this engine bay. And remember, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it out for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we know how it's going to drive out. Awful nice. All right, hopefully you can see this hood liner. Extremely nice shape. It doesn't look like this truck's been driven in inclement weather. That would kind of explain everything from lack of corrosion, cleanliness of the interior and flooring. Look at this engine bay. That is 5.7. Automatic trans, overdrive. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Nice and clean and tidy. Actual mile, clean Carfax, one owner. We actually have a copy of the 1989 issued title. Same family since new. Showing no accidents. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1989 GMC Sierra pickup in burgundy and silver with a topper. It is an extended cab. It is an automatic on the column. This is a low mile machine and looks and feels it. From the dash to the seats to the carpet, the steering wheel, everything is very nice. Now our oil pressure is over 30. The temperature is 195. Speedometer working. Fuel gauge working, less than half a tank shown. And the battery is over 14 volts. The factory stereo is working. equalizer and cassette player on the right. I have not tested the cassette player, but the equalizer is working as it should. Our HVAC does blow air and does direct that air as it should. Sometimes on these trucks, they do quit working, and these are fully functional. 4x4 truck with the lever on the floor for easy distribution of that power. Cruise control works on this truck. Wipers are working on this truck. Just a great truck. The folding seat in the rear. Smooth ride down the highway. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. In addition to the square bodies of the earlier era, this one of the most reliable Chevy trucks that there is this era. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1989 GMC Sierra extended cab at uniqueclassiccars.com.